Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Nationwide for account and billing, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Nationwide for account and billing, begin by visiting the official Nationwide website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to open the authentication page. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your password, using your registered email or phone number. Once you have entered your login credentials, click the Sign In button. If your username and password are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of an incorrect login attempt, an error message will appear. Double-check your username and password for any typos. If you continue to experience difficulties, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. For secure access, ensure you are using a trusted device and a secure internet connection. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section of your account dashboard. Here, you can view your account summary, billing statements, and payment options. To make a payment, follow the prompts to enter your payment details. If you prefer to set up automatic payments, look for the option to enroll in AutoPay. You can also update your billing information as necessary within this section. Always log out after you complete your session to keep your account secure. By following these steps, you will successfully authenticate with Nationwide for all your account and billing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.